Okay. Hi guys. Earlier my previous live it was terminate. I'm not sure. Probably it's because the network that is not strong enough. So this is the link that I put it as the continuing series from the previous live. To share more details, earlier we were chatting about the market in general, like macroeconomic, right? And I provide some news on the uh, opinion, the reviews during the last quarter and Q4 outlook for the crypto market review. And we were sharing the live market check-ins on the index mostly and crypto bubble. So before that, earlier at the beginning of the live streaming from the previous link, we were chatting about the news as well. It's the Bitcoin chart ratio, Asia morning briefs from CoinDesk that they don't trade BTC a lot, so it remains sideways or steadies today because mostly the traders they lean more on the poly market as an index as well as they leans more toward on the December rate cuts and we take a look earlier as well on the CMC crypto future because the volume still hits very high, although the market at this moment is not performing very well. So the numbers of the record around like 800,000 around here, and we were taking a look at the Bera chain disputes because they were having the problem with the Series B investor called Nova Capital, and we were taking a look at the DOGE coin because they have the GDOG is the grayscale DOGE ETF that is available to trade on the NYSE ARCA. So this is the time for institutions to come in and trade Doge. So for the price they are trading right now is at $0.15, and some of the analysts they say it can be slightly moved to 0.18 as well. And okay, I am going to move next to the news as well right here. We were seeing earlier the market review. So we have another market opinion to share right here as well. Okay, and this is the details, the news from Bloomberg Intelligence. It predicts Bitcoin at $50,000. So let's take a look together. It's out from 4 o'clock at the last of 18 hours ago. Okay. So this is the senior community strategist at Bloomberg Intelligence. Mike McGlone anticipates that by 2026, the leading cryptocurrency will decline by approximately 60% of its historical peak above $126,000. So this is the look of the graph. Higher stocks are top prerequisite to avoid $50,000 Bitcoin. And he asks, will Bitcoin be worth $50,000 or worth $150,000 in 2026? So he said he leans more on $50,000, especially if the S&P 50 falls for the third consecutive year since 2008. And according to the McClone, it's a combination of a rapid increase in gold prices and a drop in oil prices, along with stock market volatility, will drive investors away from risky products like cryptocurrencies. So these factors could lead to a sell-off with an unlimited supplies. So on the November 21st, right, on Friday, previous Friday, Bitcoin plummeted to level around $82,000. It's the lowest since April, and following a subsequent rebound, the price peaked around $87,000. So at the time of writing, the asset is trading near $86,400. So Bitcoin may end the year with another decline. This is another statement from BitMEX co-founder Arthur Hayes believes that the leading cryptocurrency is set for another dip to $80,000 soon. So, however, he qualified that this price level will hold. And now this is his message. Minor improvements in liquidity, Fed QT stops, and US bank increase lending enough. We shopped below 90K, maybe one more step down into low 80K, but I think 80K's hold might start nipping, but leave the bazooka until the new year. So Hayes, after Hayes, he considered the cessation of the U.S. Federal Reserve's quantitative tightening policy from December the 1st, and the increase in lending volume by American banks in November as positive factors for the price of digital gold. So, however, he noted that this liquidity influx will only impact the market by the end of the year. And Citigroup noted that after the October cryptocurrency crash, investors' risk appetite sharply declined. It's the report from CoinDesk. So the long-term coin holders are increasingly about the second week year for set following the last halving, which contradicts historical cycles. So in their base scenario, bank analysts expect inflow into BTC ETFs to reach 7.5 billion of the end of the year. So investment Bitcoin products have lost $4.92 billion since the beginning of November. And Citigroup experts estimate that their bearish forecasts of $82,000 will materialize by early 2026. And the key level of for ETF investors is $80,000. Positive factors such as a recovery in capital inflow into exchange traded funds and a breakthrough in industry regulation in the US. It could also raise Bitcoin's price to $181,000 within next 12 months. So previously CIO of Bitwise, Matt Hugan, stated that Bitcoin likely hit the bottom in the previous downturn, but acknowledged the possibility of another dip. It will be closer to 7,000. So this is good to know. Everyone keep thinking about it, that it's gonna be coming lower down. And the head of the company's European research department, Andres Dragos, confirmed the investment director's opinion. In the short term, Bitcoin may trade lower until a unclear bullish catalyst emerge, but this will be fire sales valuation and very attractive entry point for increasing asset holdings, he said in an interview with DL. So Douglas expect strong support for the cryptocurrencies rates in the range of $81,000 to $73,000. So the base value of coin in BlackRock ETF and strategies treasury below these marks. Bitcoin will be intensively bought, the analyst in confidence. He noted that the current correction correspond to previous bulls markets in both depth and duration. So a trend reversal could occur at any moment with the emergence of a clear catalyst, such as the continuation of the Fed's quantitative easing or bond market volatility, which would force the regulator to intervene. So we still expect the continuation of Bitcoin's bull cycle in 2026 due to the easing of monetary policy worldwide, which typically affect global growth conditions and risk appetite with a significant lag. So this is the glut in course, and uncertainty takes its toll. So GSR analyst Carlos Guzman highlight three factors negatively impacting the current market position of digital gold. So expectation that the Fed will lower the key rate following the December 10 meeting jumped to 77%, although a week ago the figure was 42%. However, uncertainty remained regarding the regulators' decisions as a number of crucial economic data were not published due to the prolonged government shutdown, and concerns are growing about a bubble in the AI as well. After Nvidia's positive quarterly report, the stock of one of the industry's flagships jumped to 500 or 5%, but then correct by 3.1%. So this volatility has affected the crypto market, which typically move the tandem with tech company stocks, Guzman said. And as the third factor putting pressure on digital assets, he cited persistent weakness and pessimism as well, reduced liquidity resulting from October crash. Analyst Crypto Dan conclude that Bitcoin stabilizing below 80,000 significantly increased the risk of a deeper decline. And this is the campaign that I would like to share with you guys as well. I cannot open it. So it's okay, no worries. Let me try to switch to Brazil. Oh, still cannot open it. It's okay, seems like there's the issue with the regulation. So this is the link of the trading campaign. So far if you prefer to participate, right, you need to register. And this campaign has been tailored for the KOC and its community. You deposit and get 20% bonus, and then plus the extra rewards on top of it. And then the activities that you can do is to transfer to the futures account, and then you can receive the reward up to 200 USDT bonus, and you can trade more to earn up to 200 USDT as the extra reward. And this campaign will end on December 13 at 2 p.m. UTC +8. And we experienced together as well yesterday that Monad blockchain goes live, right? So in the tech anchor, I just share with you guys as well. So they go live with 100 billion token supply and airdrop, and the total token supply of Monad MON, it's around 100 billion tokens with 10.8% currently unlocked and circulation. So this new is out on yesterday at night, and this is the key area that we need to know. So Monad blockchain is a layer 1 infrastructure that went live on Monday, and it accompanied by an airdrop of the Monad token. So according to the project documentation, the total supply of the Monad is 100 billion token with 10.8%. So it's currently unlocked and in circulation right now. And the circulation portion is divided between two buckets. The 7.5% was made available over the past week through a public sales on Coinbase token. And the second bottle is the platform at the 0.025 per token. It's at the remaining 3.3% unlock as the part of the airdrop. So the layer 1 Monad blockchain, it went live on Monday and accompanied with its airdrop, right? And Monad teams described the blockchain as a high performance network. It's capable of supporting a broad range of growing industry vertical, including DeFi, payments, stablecoin, and then emerging institutional use cases for high frequency finance. And previously, the team said that the blockchain is also EVM compatible, and the chain is designed to help scale Ethereum virtual machine into its next stage of growth. So as for the airdrop, it's according to project documentation. The total supply of Monad is 100 billion tokens with 10.8% currently unlocked and in circulation. So that circulating portion is divided between two buckets, right? And then the remaining supply is allocated as follow. 20% of the Monad team, it's 19.7% to investors, and then 4% to the lab treasury, and 38.5% it's to what ecosystem development. And some community member on X expressed frustration with the distribution, arguing that the team's share is unusually high compared with industry norm. So, Monad mandate public launch marks a major step toward making high performance blockchain infrastructure accessible to everyone, because developers shouldn't have to choose between spend security and usability. And Keanu Horn, the co-founder of Monad, in a press release shared with Coindesk, right? He said, with Monad, we have worked to deliver all three without asking builder to abandon the tools and languages they already know. So we are excited to empower a new wave of applications and bring blockchain technology closer to mainstream and institutional option. So this is the area of it. And I will call it a live of today. Thank you for everyone who is coming by and listening to me. And this is the link of the previous live. I was living and it was cut immediately. Don't know when as well. Like maybe it's because of the internet that is not stable, so it cuts my live streaming. And yeah, thank you for coming and thank you for staying with me. I will share like the Web3 news, ecosystem, and price all around crypto industry. So if you guys are interested in crypto news, just take a look and stay with me together. Looking forward to be with you guys still. I am very hungry. Is there anyone still be with me? And yeah, thank you for coming with me, and see you guys again in tomorrow's live. I'm ending a live right now.